1969 Pontiac Parisienne convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the chrome up front. Get a good look at the grille. Headlight bezels looking good. Red exterior, white vinyl interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see every angle of the car, top up, top down, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, and as you can see, the Pontiac Motor Division wheel covers. White wall radial tires. There's also been approximately $8,200 in recent service work to this car, and we're going to get into that in just a little bit. First of all, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these long panels, nice and straight. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, scratches in the paint. I noticed there's like a few real small, just kind of fish eyes in it. Does the paint have a very nice shine to it? Absolutely. Can you find an imperfection? Yes. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. They'll turn some heads. Fun car for parades with the convertible top down. And you can see a convertible top cover will come with it. Seat belts are intact. White vinyl bench seat up front. Stock looking dash with the exception of a Panasonic was aftermarket radio in there, AM FM cassette, and that is working. Now, as far as some of the recent service work that has been done on this, like I said, approximately $8,200 of recent service work. Radiator was recored, new convertible top cylinders, so the rams on it. Front brakes has also had a tune-up with distributor cap, rotor, plug, wires, valve cover, gaskets, miscellaneous there. Newer battery put in it, wheel cylinders, coolant flush, new heater core, and I may be missing a few things. There's, like I said, miscellaneous receipts, and that was all gone through in 2025 here. Technician did note the tires are starting to show their age a little bit, so before you're taking it on a long cruise or putting a bunch of miles on it, you may want to consider that. All right, once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these late 60s big Pontiacs or GM vehicles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. There's the emblem stating 350 cubic inches, and that is what size engine is underneath the hood. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. And yes, we're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Show you how it goes down the road. Interior looks like it could be original. Little wear over here on the driver's side. We got some separation by that piping. Little spot down here. But like I said earlier, it's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Power top, I will also show you how that functions. We'll check out the condition of that. It's fired up. All right, so here, Panasonic, that aftermarket stereo I talked about. Again, that is working. There's a fuel gauge right up. Should all be good. Top of the dash, nice shape. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Door closes nicely. I'd say kind of what you'd expect. Nothing crazy as far as exhaust on it. Sounds like a small block. And let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take a couple hands. Let's get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. There we go, underside of the hood. We'll peek at that, it's pretty much flat black. There it is. So we do have some sort of kind of a battery tender over here. Again, 350. And power steering and power brakes. Ready for that next owner to enjoy. And again, some recent service work done to it to the tune of approximately $8,200. And there is receipts that'll go along with it for that. All right, let me get the tripod set up. Let's check out this convertible top. And convertible top up. So you can see power top functions as it should. Latches tightly, nice fit above the windshield. Rolled the side glass up too so you can see how that fit. That looks good. So white vinyl. Little wear spot looks like it's been mended there. A little bit of separation from the stitching and seams back here. You can see the top's been down more than it's probably been up, judging by how that's just kind of folded up at the top of the glass. It's a glass rear window. If you need it to keep you out of the sun or out of the rain, it's going to serve its purpose just fine. Side glass at the passenger side, also nice fit. So no major rips, tears, holes. A little wear around that rear glass, but I don't think it's anything that's going to affect the performance of that top. And I will show you it folding back down into the storage area too. And then remember, Jason's going to take you for a drive. A virtual ride, if you will. 1969 Pontiac Parisienne convertible. All those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a nice red 1969 Pontiac Parisienne. This is a convertible. We've got kind of a cream white or an off-white interior with black carpet, black dash. Looking very good. Nice smooth run than Pontiac, as most of them are. Start right up, idles very nicely. Accelerates as it should. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy for anybody to drive. We do have the top up today on this cooler day in Minnesota. FM is working well. I have not tested cassette. The blower motor also works. Power top on this car. The horn is nice and loud. Very comfortable factory looking bench seat in this car. Only minor wind noise for a convertible from 1969 with largely original rubber gaskets. It's a nice quiet ride for what it is. It's interesting the styling on the front of this car. Kind of if you took a Le Mans and gave it a big brother, it looks a little bit like that. Brakes nice and smooth. Excellent power steering. Now we only have a fuel gauge showing almost full and a speedometer that appears to be working properly. The rest would be warning lights. Smooth shifting from the automatic transmission. Be sure to check out all the pictures of this 1969 Pontiac at uniqueclassiccars.com.